So hello everyone, myself Mohammad Akram. So today we are going to do a presentation on the small topic user interface design. So I am pursuing my studies in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering under Department of Computer Science and Engineering. The subject code is 18CS 734 and my USN is 1VE 20CS 087. So let's get started. Today we are going to cover the main topics of user interface design, which are introduction, motivation, description of your design, importance of user interface. Introductions to UID, user interface design, often abbreviated as UI design, is a critical aspect of creating digital products that are innovative, visual, appealing, and user friendly. It requires careful consideration of various elements, including user research, understanding the target audience, demography, preference, behaviors, and pinpoints in crucials. User research helps in tailoring the interface to meet the specific needs of user effectively. Inform- Information architecture. This involves organizing and structuring the information and content with the interface in the logical and intuitive manner. Information architecture helps users easily find what they are looking for and navigate through the system effortlessly. Wireframing and prototyping. Wireframes are low fidelity basic representation of the layout structure of interface, while prototypes are interactive, highly fidelity versions. These tools help in visualizing the design and functionality early in the design process, allowing for iteration and feedbacks before finalizing the design. Visual designs. This accepts focus on aesthetics of interface, including color schemes, typography, iconography, and overall visual styles. It aims to create a visual appealing and cohesive look that aligns with the brand identity and resonates with the target's user. Usability and accessibility. UI designers must ensure that the interface is usable and accessible to the diverse audience, including those with disabilities. This involves considering factors like clear navigation, initiative interactions, and compliance with accessibility standards. Motivation of UID. Motivation in user interface designs refers to underlying drives or purpose that propel designers to create interface that are engaging, effective, and user-centered. Several key motivation guide designers in their work. User-centric approach. The primary motivation is to prioritize the needs, preference, and experience of the end users. Designers strive to create interfaces that are intuitive, easy to use, and enjoyable for the people who will interact with them. Enhanced user interface experience. Designers aim to provide overall user experience by focusing on usability, accessibility, aesthetics as well. As well, designers UI directly impact how users perceive and interact with the product or service, leading to higher satisfaction engagements. Effective and productivity. UI designers aim for streamlining workflow, reducing reducing cognitive loads, enhance the efficiency of users. And some other motivations are brand representation and consistency of the UID, clear communication, and understanding with the users. The description of my design is first project setup and UI design. Begins by setting up Android project in Android Studio, creating necessary activities, layouts using XML and resources. Designing the user interface to include screens of viewing student information, adding new students, editing existing records and deleting records. Second point is database setup. Implementing SQLite database to store student-related database with the help of various SQLite keys. Model classes. Create Java model class to represent a student, defining attributes such as student ID, name, graph, contact information, etc. Database helper. Develop a database helper class SQLite Open Helper. This class manages database creation, version management, and provides methods to perform database operations. User interaction and controllers. Create Java controllers to handle user interactions and to connect UI components with the database operations. Listing and displaying student information. Allow the user to tap and view detailed information. Adding and editing students. Create screens to add new students, edit existing student details with approach UI components and input student information. Deleting students. Allow user to delete student records with database using delete button. Testing and debugging. Debugging should be taken before releasing the app. Documentation and user guides. Prepare documentation including a user guide that explains how to use applications, its features, and how to student management system functions. So this is the login page of my student app, which mainly consists of username, password, and sign in for students and sign in for admins who have created the app and for teachers. In student signing, it consists of 4 paths: profile, timetable, a place where we can check grades, and another part where we can download all the textbooks necessary and other data which are important for a student. The login page and the profile page consists of student name, date of birth, basic related details about the user. The grading, the grade searching part, which is used, which has exam ID, where we can enter the exam ID and search for any student details. And the last part is the PDFs where we can download various class PDFs from the Chrome directly with the help of these apps. And it also consists of notifications where we can check all the notifications for each and every student which is sent by their respective teachers. Importance of user interface. Understanding the importance of user interface can be simplified into 5 steps. First, impressions and aesthetics. The initial encounter with an application or a website sets the tone for the user experience. An iterative, well-designed UI captures attentions and creates a positive first impression. A visual appealing interface with well-chosen colors, fonts, icons, and layouts encourages user to explore further. Ease to use and navigation. Ease of use and navigation. A well-created UI ensures that the user can easily navigate through the applications or websites. Initiative and clear navigation enhance usability, enabling users to find what they need quickly and perform tasks without unnecessary complexity. Task efficiency and productivity. A good UI streamlines the user interactions with the system, minimizing the steps needed to complete tasks by presenting the information in logical and organized manner. And offering efficient workflow, the UI enhances the productivity. User can accomplish their goals swiftly, resulting in more satisfying and efficient user experience. Feedback and responsiveness. Effective user interface design provide timely and relevant feedbacks to user for their actions. Feedback can include visuals, animations, or notifications that confirm action or provide guidance. This feedback loop enhances user confidence and understanding, making the interface feel responsive and interactive. Thanks for watching.